Anne Klein Women's Bangle Watch. Anne Klein is a renowned name in the world of fashion and accessories, and the Anne Klein Women's Bangle Watch is a testament to the brand's commitment to elegance and style. This exquisite timepiece seamlessly combines functionality with a touch of glamour, making it a must-have accessory for the modern woman. One of the standout features of the Anne Klein Women's Bangle Watch is its design. The watch boasts a sleek and sophisticated bangle bracelet that not only serves as a functional strap, but also doubles as a fashion statement. The bracelet is crafted with precision, featuring a blend of materials that enhance both durability and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're attending a formal event or adding a touch of sophistication to your everyday look, this watch effortlessly elevates your style.
The dial of the Anne Klein Bangle Watch is a work of art in itself. The minimalist design is tastefully adorned with the iconic Anne Klein logo, a symbol of quality and timeless elegance. The watch face is protected by a high-quality crystal, ensuring clarity and resistance to scratches. The dial is designed with easy-to-read markers, allowing you to check the time at a glance without compromising on style. What sets the Anne Klein Bangle Watch apart is its versatility. It seamlessly transitions from day to night, making it suitable for a wide range of occasions. The timeless design allows you to pair it with casual or formal attire, adding a touch of sophistication to any ensemble. The bangle bracelet is available in various finishes, allowing you to choose the one that complements your personal style.